So just
Only in the O-rings, right?
just on the O-rings, that's all they need. And these just push in, just go straight down. These ones are the same.
Quite a lot of blue bag.
So
We're going to order one more of these.
same with this one.
Does it pop down?
If you push them too far, they'll come out the bottom.
Oh,
So it's just level together, right, from the back?
Yeah, just level's
Yeah.
quite good.
Yeah.
oh,
Because you do need to get, when you put them on, you do need to get them under these bits here.
Yeah.
okay.
So I might, I think, so they just slide in. Now underneath these they've got adjusters on them. So that to adjust these is how much mix comes out when you're pouring them. I'll set all those up.
So we don't need to touch
You
that?
shouldn't need to, but
Okay.
if you find that someone's adjusted them and they're out too far, and you're pulling the lever down and it's not getting much mix come out, just have a look to make sure that, because that's just like a stop. When it comes down, it hits on that
Well, it's just
stop.
just the flow of the mix.
Yeah, just
Okay.
the mix coming out.
So it doesn't matter.
how much
It's like those
lever-
water
Okay.
hose.
How much the lever
Okay.
will move down.
Oh, okay, got
So
it.
if that's out further, it would only come down to there
Oh, okay.
before it hits on the bottom.
It's all right, eh?
This is fine. The other one is
And it goes through.
a bit more parts on it.
The pump.
So that's your door assembly. Now when you put these on, you just got to make sure that these don't fall out.
Fall down.
They're sitting in quite well, I don't think they will. But I always sort of hold the door in such a way that my fingers are sort of touching these. So I sort of put it on and then I can sort of feel it and I push it. Now I hold pressure on the door while I put the screws on so it doesn't pop out. Because if it pops out, then you run the risk. If it pops out, then that might fall down a bit.
So the lube would probably try to keep it in there then.
The lube
You want to put some
does
more
it.
lube there?
No, they
No?
don't need much. There's a bit of lube on there.
Okay.
They don't need much. So with these again, tall
Long one
ones-
on top
tall ones on the top,
and short ones on the
short
bottom.
ones on the bottom. And just put them on in a diagonal manner. So these go into the middle. Now I just put my fingers on the bottoms of those things, slide it in, and just kind of flip these up. Yeah, they're all on. So then I hold it in there so it can't come off and get those on. Don't do them up too tight to start with until we get them all on, and then tighten them up in a diagonal
Diagonal way. Yeah.
way. So that holds good. When you come to put the sanitizer in, you are actually, if these have fallen off, it'll leak. So it's easier when it leaks with sanitised water than it is with mix. It's a bit of a tidier mess. So you don't have to over tighten them. So that's your door on.
What's those again?
Now these little stars, they give you the pattern of the ice cream.
Oh, okay.
So these clip on underneath. because they're new and the door's new, they won't go on that easily, I don't think.
So you just push
Are you just are you screwing them on? Oh, the
No,
clip
just
on.
Clip on. Once
They
they've,
look hard.
yeah, once they've been done once, they'll be right. It's just that first time because they're new. And the two tabs sit out the front.